subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched the successor of Redmi Note 9 series in India called Redmi Note 10, Redmi Note 10 Pro and Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. All these three devices looks quite identical, but among these three, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR10. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max supports a quad camera setup on the rear that includes a 108MP main camera with Samsung HM2 sensor plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 118° field of view plus 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 12 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5020 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, IR blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 76.15 by 8.1mm and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has been priced in India for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 21,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 18th in dark night, glacial blue and vintage bronze color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 10 Pro Max smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.